home additions, add levels, complete home remodeling.
Dave here from Pangione Developers, and if your family is in need of an entire home transformation, or you're looking to purchase your first home or a fixer-upper, we have simplified the entire process from start to finish. Families in need of more space don't know where to begin to get their transformation started. Perhaps you already own a home, you outgrew it, you're looking to expand and transform it. That's where we specialize in entire home transformations. How about those young families that are looking to purchase their very first home, perhaps a fixer-upper that you want to transform? Well, we have simplified the process from beginning to end. Let's talk about it right now. Whether you already own the home that you want to transform, or you're looking to purchase the fixer-upper or your very first home, you need funding in place. We provide full funding options for families that own the home and they want to transform it, or you're looking to purchase that home and transform it. We provide full funding options and we organize it. And we will get you started from the very beginning, getting pre-qualified. This way we can see exactly the amount that you and your family can afford. We provide the full funding options. Once we know the scope, then we'll be able to create the budget, and then we can start looking for your home and or creating the plan for your
home additions, add levels, complete home remodeling.
For whether you're purchasing the home and transforming it, or your home, will be able to create the budget for your existing home and the transformation that we're going to create. So where do we go from here? From here, we're able to create your transformation. We create the design, the build, everything in between. You've read our reviews on the Better Business Bureau. You've seen our catalog of over 1,000 home transformations filmed on location in northern New Jersey. You can do your homework. You can follow up and follow all of our videos on our YouTube channel. But from here, all you have to do is simply click the more information button down below, and we can get the ball started and get you and your family pricing. We can pre-qualify you.
Home additions, add levels, complete home remodeling.
Simply give us a call at 201-774-3733. Again, 201-774-3733. Or click the more information button down below and we get you and your family started. I'm Dave Pangione. Thanks for watching.